Welcome back to my channel, Code with Shaz. Today we're going to talk about Node Version Manager. Node Version Manager is the best way to install and manage Node.js on your machine. So if you ever struggle with switching between different Node.js versions for different projects or faced permission issues with global NPM packages, then this video is for you. So end of this video, you will learn how to install NVM, the benefits of using NVM over direct Node.js installation, how to switch between different Node.js versions effortlessly. So let's dive in. This is a site where you can download NVM. NVM, this is a GitHub package. So basically NVM stands for Node Version Manager, and it's a command line tool that allows you to install multiple versions on Node.js, switch between them easily, and set default Node.js versions. So to install it, first what you have to do, you have to go to this GitHub page. It's github.com/CoreyButler/NVM Windows. So you can see the link here. So once you go there, you have to basically go down and navigate to something called Download Now. So once you click this, you can go to this page. So this is the site where you can download the NVM. So basically you can download the latest version 1.2.2. You can see you have different versions here, but the one you want to install is this one here, NVM setup. So this, once you download it, it will download the file and install, and you click on it, it will start the installation, and installation will be done. Normally the installation is pretty straightforward. There's no issues reported. So once you install it, you're going to go to your command line, and you can see here I opened the PowerShell, and you can just type the command nvm --version. It will tell you that the version you installed is 1.2.2. So that's how you install NVM. So let's say now you want to install different Node.js versions. So I'm in the site Node.js. If you click on netget Node.js, you'll see you have different versions. So depending on your project, you might be using the 20 version, you might be using 22 or latest version, depending on what your project is. So how to install this from your node? So basically, let's say you want to install the latest version. So what you will do in this case, you will just run the command nvm install, and then whatever the version you want to install. So first let's see in my machine how many Node.js I have installed. So I have installed, the command is nvm ls. You can see I have the version 20 installed, which I had used for my other project, and then we have 22, which is the current LTS version. So if you go here, you will see that 22 is the current long-term support version. So let's say I want to install version 23.11.1. So I'll do nvm install. So I'll just mention the number 23.11. We have to mention the full number here. So if I do this, then you can see that installing nvm, the node version of 23.11.1. So if I do nvm ls, you can see that I have multiple versions installed now. Now let's say if I want to use a specific version, what I'll do, I will use nvm use, and then I will use, let's say again, 22.17.1. So now it's using the version 22. So if I do node version, you can see that I'm using version 22.1. I can just switch back to version nvm use 23.11.1, and I will go switch back to version. So if I say node version, I will switch back to the 23.11. So let's say, let me clear everything and then say nvm ls. You can see that I have multiple versions installed. So now let's say one of the projects I was using, I'm not using the node anymore. I don't need to use it, or I installed this one by mistake. So let's say how to uninstall. You just say nvm uninstall 23.11.1. Basically you have to mention the whole path here. So once you run this command, it will uninstall the node version 23 for you. So let's say if I do nvm ls, you can see that now only have 3 versions available. So let's say if I use nvm ls, you can see that I have, and the current one I'm using is the latest one. I can just use let's see, node version. You can see that I'm using 24.4.1. I want to give you one scenario. Let's say we install the 23.11 version, and let's say we want to uninstall it now. Now first let's make sure that this version is the one we using. So let's say nvm use 23.11.1. So now we're using that version. You can see that nvm ls. So let's say if I uninstall this one, nvm uninstall 23.11.1. So once you uninstall it, you will see that since that was the version you were using, once you run the node command, so let's say I do NVM ls, you can see that 23 version is gone. But let's see if I do node version, you'll get an error here. The error you get because that we are not using version anymore. You see that there is no asterisk here. It means the nodes is installed. We have multiple version nodes installed, but the problem is that we're not using one of them. So that's why this gives an error. So what you have to do, you have to make sure that you're using one of them. So you say NVM use, let's say 22.17.1. So now we're using the version, and if you see again NVM ls, you can see that the asterisk is back. It means now if you do node version, we will get back the version that we require. So NVM is a must-have tool for Node.js developers. It makes basically managing versions super easy and avoids headache that you need with global installations. And so please go ahead and check it out. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, CodeWishAs. And thank you for watching.